Hello, my name is Sage with Sage's Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about pivot tables. So first thing, I just want to show you where I got my dataset from. You can get free datasets from Kaggle, and today I picked the sleep cycle and productivity dataset. And you just have to sign in to be able to download the set. And I uploaded it into Excel here. And I already created it into a table, which you just click anywhere in the dataset, select Insert Table, and we're going to want to create a pivot table with this dataset. So we got our date, person ID, age, gender, you have our total sleep hours, sleep quality, exercise, screen time, work hours per day, productivity score, mood score, and stress level. And we're going to want to paste our pivot table in here. And how you do that is you're going to select anywhere in the dataset, click the Insert tab at the top, select Pivot Table from Table Range. And it already selected our table, and we're going to want to click Existing Worksheet, go into our other worksheet here, and select right here, select OK. And it creates our pivot table for us here. And first thing, what even is a pivot table? A pivot table is a tool in Excel that helps you summarize and analyze data quickly without changing the original data set. And why would you want to use a pivot table? It saves time, there's no need for those complex formulas, and it's easy to adjust with drag and drop features. Alright, and we have a few questions over here that we're going to want to answer. And we're going to use the pivot table to answer those questions. So our first question here is, what gender had the best average sleep quality? And we're going to use our features over here. We have our fields, we have our filters tab, our rows, columns, and values. So we're going to first look at the gender. We're going to put that in the rows over here. And you can see it populates over here. And then we're going to look at the best average sleep quality. We're going to take our sleep quality and paste it in our values here. And automatically it's going to put the sum, but you're going to want to take the average, and all you do is you click on that drop down arrow, select value field settings, and you select average. You're going to select OK. Alright, and then if you look closely here, it looks like the other gender has the best average sleep quality, as the male has 0.552 and the other has 0.555. So this is going to be other. Alright, and then our next question is, what is the percentage of women that have a productivity score of 10? So we'll go back to our pivot table here, and we're going to leave our gender there. We're going to take out sleep quality, and we're going to look at productivity score here. And we're going to want to filter to just female. And then we're going to put something in the values here. We're just going to take productivity score, and we're going to select a count for that. Alright, and so you see there's 181 women who have a productivity score of 10, and we're just going to divide that to get the percentage. So it's 181 divided by 1675. It's the total number of women. And that is 11%. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next one, which is which gender has the highest average minutes of exercise per day. Okay, so we'll go back to our pivot table here, and we'll keep the gender, we'll take productivity score out, and we're going to see the exercise. And we'll select that to average again. And since we still have that filtered to female, we'll select all of them. And we see over here that females have the highest average of exercise per day. Alright, we're on to our next question here, which is, which gender has the most average screen time before bed? We'll go back to our pivot table, and we'll take out the exercise, and we'll select screen time, and we'll go ahead and select average once more. Alright, and you see that the other gender has the most average screen time before bed. Alright, and then our last question here is, which age has the best average sleep quality? So we'll take out gender and screen time, and we'll put age in the rows column here, and then we're going to take the average sleep quality, not exercise, sleep quality, and we'll change that to average. And then we're going to want to sort this by descending to get the highest at the top. And that age is 29. Alright, so here we are. So that ends our video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more of this content. Take care.